Hello, I'm Yaping Li from GST and NOAA Nestis Star. I'm going to introduce the latest updates from the iQuam system. iQuam system is NOAA's in situ sea surface temperature quality monitor. It collects SST observations from various sources, runs quality control, and helps with satellite SST calibration and validation. It's been a crucial tool for consistent monitoring of in situ SST data. At last year's GHRSST meeting, we introduced iQuam version 2.1, which included two new data sources, iCOADS and CMEMS. These new data sources helped improve data completeness and filled in several data gaps that we saw in previous versions. Then in late 2024, after FNMOC data was discontinued, we fully transitioned to using SLDS and CMS. The updated version 2.1 was then promoted to the new iQuam system. In this figure, you can see the improvements clearly. Adding new data source increased the number of drift platforms by over 15%. It made a big difference, especially during data outages. Another important improvement is new diurnal reference check, or DRC. In previous versions, we compared individual SST with daily analysis, which caused over-screening, especially in areas with strong diurnal warming. The DRC solved this issue. It works by analyzing 24-hour segments of buoy data and rejected only segments or values that show unrealistic behavior. It helps us keep valid observations that would have been wrongly moved out before. We included examples of how this looks. In the old quality control, a lot of good data got rejected, but with the new quality control, those records were preserved. We also see that's shown in the monthly quality control pass rates. The updated quality control gives higher pass rates, especially in warmer months, where diurnal warming is more common. Another big change to iQuam system is that we migrated the quality control and the quality monitoring code from IDL to Python. We know Python is easier to maintain. Python has a more modern scientific stack and integrates better with tools like Airflow. It also helps us stay aligned with the wider data science community. But we need to make sure to keep the logic and the results consistent between the old and the new code. Now, final testing is on the way to make sure, the old and the new results are consistent. Of course, we are also facing some challenges during development. First challenge, CMEMS data, they store data in thousands of small files, one per platform. So we had to develop a strategy to integrate those data before running quality control, which helped to reduce I/O time and speed things up. Another challenge, downloading CMEMS data relies on the Copernicus Marine Toolbox. It takes some setup and occasionally requires updates to stay compatible with the latest version. Another big challenge is that, as I mentioned, we still need to carefully test the Python quality control code to make sure it matches the original IDL logic and the results. Yeah, this is I think is the biggest challenge we face now. Next, let's take a look at the development roadmap. In Q4 2023, we added iCOADS and CMEMS to iQuam version 2.1. By Q1 2024, the diagonal record check was implemented. In Q3 2024, version 2.1 with new data sources was promoted to live. In Q1 2025, we started migrating our code to Python. In Q2 2025, we completed the Python code conversion. Now we are focusing on testing and validation, aiming to release iQuam version 2.2 later this year. Since implementing the DRC, we started reprocessing SST data backward from the present to 1981 using the updated QC. This ensures consistent long-term records. This work will help improve historic data quality and allow better climate scale SST analysis. Finally, a summary. First, we extended the data coverage with iCOADS and CMAS. We improved quality control with a diagonal reference check. Migrated our quality control code to Python, improving maintainability, and flexibility. We began reprocessing data back to 1981 using the updated quality control. Final testing is still in progress. We are aiming to release iQuam version 2.2 by the end of this year. Thank you so much for your time.